Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Those who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe the channel. Those who have already subscribed to my channel, please watch the videos, like the videos, share the videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification. In this video, we are going to solve uh, that is descriptive answers, that is from question number. This is practice science practice paper number 2 of class 8th from 21 to 28 questions. Today we are going to solve in this video, that is from 21 to 28. So in the 21st question, how water controls the burning of fire, explain. So it is a 2 marks question. Now let us answer it. So for 21st question, the answer is water cools the combustible substance so that its temperature is brought below its ignition temperature. This prevents fire from spreading. So this prevents the fire from spreading. So idra jotege bekar neevu ishtu baradre saku. So water cools the combustible substance so that its temperature is brought below its ignition temperature. This prevents fire from spreading. So this is enough for 2 marks. Now let us move for the next question. In the next question, identify and write types of asexual reproductive types of budding, binary fission, multiple fission. So in Hydra, amoeba and plasmodium. So now let us identify and types of asexual reproduction, types of budding, binary and multiple fission. So now here they have given the first one is, that is budding. Second one is binary fission. Budding, binary fission, and the third one is multiple fission. So budding will takes place in Hydra. Binary fission will takes place in amoeba, and multiple fission will takes place in plasmodium. It is a protozoan. So here, so multiple fission will takes place. So like this we have to identify and you have to answer for. This is the 22nd question. Now let us answer the 23rd question. So the 23rd question is, that is copper wire is more commonly used in power consumption than iron wire. Why anta kelidane. So now let us answer this question. Instead of iron wire, we are using copper wire. So let us make what are the advantages. Let us make the list. First one is copper is more ductile. Than iron. So copper can be drawn into very thin wires. That is the first property. And compared to iron, copper will not get rust as like iron. This is the second point. And the third point is copper is having high conductivity. It is a good conductor than iron. Having high conductivity than iron. Its conductivity is more than iron. So this much is enough for your class. That is for For 8th class, this is enough. Now let us move for the next question. That is, let us move for 24th question. So the 24th question is, divide the following names into inner planets and outer planets of the solar system. So that is you have to divide it into inner planets and outer planets. So now let us make a list of inner planets and also outer planets. So inner planets one side and outer planets one side. So the inner planets are Mercury, that is which are near to the sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These are called as inner planets, and the outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are called as outer planets. So 4 inner planets and 4 outer planets. So this is the answer for 24th question. Now we are moving for 25th question. So the 25th question is as like this. Write the differences between real and inverted images. 25th. So now let us make a list of one side real image, another side inverted image, So now let us write the differences between real image and another one is called inverted image. Let us write the difference between real and inverted images. Write the differences between real and inverted alla idu. So real and virtual images. So real and virtual. Real is always inverted, virtual is always erect. So difference between real and virtual images. So now let us make a list of real images and virtual images. So now let us make a list. So now let us make a list difference between real image and virtual image. The first one is real image. It can be caught on the screen. So real image screen mele caught agutte. It cannot be caught on the screen. This is the first difference. Second difference is real image is always inverted image. Nodi, for example image object higidre image higirutte, inverted, ulta. Next ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ it always forms erect image. ನೋಡಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೀಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಮೇಜು ಕೂಡ ಹೀಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಎರಕ್ಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ real image and virtual image. Then coming to the third difference between real image and virtual image is it is formed in front of the retina. It is formed in front of the mirror. It is formed in front of the mirror. It is formed behind the mirror. So like this we have to make a difference of real image and virtual image. Now let us move for the next 26th question. A lot of dry leaves are huddled in the school garden and some are burned every day. If not, what can be done to dispose of dry leaves in an environmental friendly way? So now let us answer this question. So burning dry leaves causes air pollution. If you burn the leaves, it causes air pollution. Then what we have to do? Instead of burning, it should be composed. Composted. It should be composted, as it does not give rise to any type of pollution, and the composted becomes manure for plants and trees. ಸೊ ಗೊಬ್ಬರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಳೆಯೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಕಾಂಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಕಾಂಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಕೊಳೆತಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಎ ಮೆನ್ಯೂರ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಮೆನ್ಯೂರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ both plants and animals. Both plants and trees, not for animals. It is used for as a manure for plants and trees. Now let us move for the 27th question. So the 27th question is, draw diagram of male reproductive system. So we have to draw the diagram of male reproductive system. So this is the diagram you have to write for that male reproductive system. So this diagram you have to answer for that question. Now let us answer the last question. Categorize the following items as solid, liquid and gas fuels: wood, coal, petrol, kerosene, dry dung, diesel, methane, compressed natural gas, liquefied petroleum gas, hydrogen. In which state of matter LPG occurs? So now let us classify them as solid, liquid and gaseous, and in which state matter LPG occurs. Now let us answer all these. Now let us categorize them as solid, liquid and gas. The first one is wood is given. Wood comes under solid. Then coal is also solid. Then petrol, it comes under liquid. Then kerosene also liquid. Then diesel, dry dung, it comes under solid. Dry dung, ಒಣಗಿದ ಸಗಣಿ. Then diesel comes under liquid. Next, methane is a gas. Methane comes under gas. Compressed natural gas, so CNG, it also comes under gas. Liquefied petroleum gas, it comes under liquid. Actually at room temperature the LPG is at liquid state. Then hydrogen, so hydrogen is a gas, so hydrogen comes under gas. Now like this we have categorized them. In that one only one question is there: in which state of matter LPG occurs? So LPG occurs in liquid state at room temperature. So in the cylinder actually the LPG is in liquid state. When it comes with pressure, it becomes liquid, changes into gaseous state. So like this we have to answer these questions, and successfully we have completed practice paper number 2, science of class 8th, that is from 21 to 28 questions. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please watch my videos, like and share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much.